Hello pretty faces, welcome to my new video. Today I'd like to show you 7 different rings ideas. They are all very easy, so if you are a beginner and you can't live without wearing rings, this video is perfect for you. You'll need 20 gauge wire, 28 gauge wire and some beads. Cut yourself 6 cm of wire and make a loop. Now make another loop very close to the first. Just like this. Now cut any excessive wire and you'll have an infinity symbol shape. Now cut more wire of your finger measurement and make a tiny hook. Fasten that infinity shape to the hook, like this. And now give the wire a ring shape. Make another hook, like this. If you have any excessive wire, just cut it. And fasten the infinity shape, just like so. And this is how it looks. To be honest, I think this is my favorite one. Just lovely, isn't it? Now you need a piece of wire a bit longer than your finger measurement. Bend the wire in a 90-degree angle. Now give it a ring shape. And make the same in the other side. Cut any excessive wire you have to leave like 2 mm. As you can see, there is a gap between my finger and the wire. This gap is for the bead. Add some glue in every side and glue it to a pearl. Well, I'm using a river pearl, but you can use whatever you like the most. Look at this beauty! I love it! For the next ring, cut yourself like 20 cm of wire and insert a bead. Bend it a little bit, just like this, and hold the wire with your pliers. Now it's time for twisting. Keep twisting until you get something tight and beautiful. When you are done, give it a ring shape. And now you have 2 options. Once you cut that excessive wire you have in one of the sides, you can add a bead or you just can make a loop. I am making a loop because I didn't have any beads with a hole big enough. But I reckon that a bead would be a very good way to finish it. What do you think about it? To make the next ring, you'll need a piece of wire like 10 cm longer than your finger measurement. You have to bend it like this and use a pen to make a soft curve. Now you have to wrap that excessive only once and you'll have something similar to a leaf shape. Cut that excessive wire and give it a ring shape. Cut any excessive wire you may have and make a hook facing down. Like this. Fasten it very well and that's it. Now cut yourself a little bit of thinner wire. Insert the bead and wrap it maybe 3-4 times. You have to wrap the other side as well. Cut any excessive and you are done. This ring looks like an ice to me. To make the next ring, cut a piece of wire like 7-8 centimeters longer than your finger measurement. Wrap it around a cylindrical object to make a ring base, and bend one of the sides up. And now wrap the other side, like this. Just around the first side. Cut any excessive wire, and fasten it very well. This is how it should look. Now you have to look for one of these kind of beads with only one hole. Cut the excessive you have, and glue it all. That's it. I love this ring. It's very simple and beautiful, isn't it? To make the next one, wrap a piece of wire around a pen. Now bend both sides in a 90-degree angle. For this one, I'm using seed beads, but you can use whatever you like the most. Wrap a thinner wire twice and insert the seed bead. Then you have to wrap it once more. Insert another seed bead and wrap the wire once. Repeat the same process to fill all around the circle with seed beads. When you are done, just cut any excessive wire, and only if you want, you can just turn those beads like this, because I think they look better, but you can leave it like that if you want. Bend everything in a ring shape and make a loop in every side to make this ring adjustable. Well, that's it. This ring is like a little flower. To make the last one, you have to cut yourself a piece of wire like 6 centimeters longer than your finger measurement. Bend the wire like this, as much as you can. I recommend you to use the pliers because it's gonna be easier. Once you are done, you have to bend it like this. And now you have to open that. Just a little bit. We are gonna give it like a wave shape. Be patient and just make it little by little. And when you're happy with that shape, you have to bend it like this in a 90-degree angle. Well, it's not a 90-degree angle, it's less, but you understand. Now you have to wrap it around a cylindrical object, like this. Cut any excessive wire and make a loop in every side. I have bent the top of my wave a little bit more because I didn't like the shape, but if you are happy with it, you can leave it like that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile, and be very, very happy.